Hey, in this video, I will show you how to turn on location services on an iPhone or how to enable location on iPhone. There's a very simple way to do that. What you want to do is head over to your settings, scroll down below, and a lot of people make the mistake on clicking on general. Do not do that. Just go down below to privacy and security. When you are there, you actually have the location services option. So click on that and you can manage which apps actually use your location. You can even have location alerts and so on. You can choose which apps share your location, which apps have your location always, never, or ask never next time to or when I share. Do they have your precise location and so on? So you can manage all that privacy right at your fingertips. If this video helped you out, slap the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions around this, and I'll try to get back to as many people as possible. See you next one. Bye.